Dear Mzwakhe Mbuli, you know, politics is the most amazing and amusing of all forms of art. Politics is art, yes, almost dirty art. This system uses you and leaves you helpless and helpless. It's like a snake that bites you and leaves you to waste and never eats you, simply for sheer fun of biting you. This is the system. As I write you this letter, Mzwakhe, I still see from a distance the hyenas that you know, the same jackals that you know. Dear Mzwakhe, this is where the cruelest survive. Those who can afford are swiveling, swaying and swaying in their Porsche cars, while citizens starve to death. There is no room for serious thinkers in politics. Thugs are allowed to roam the streets. That's the game of politics. And innocent citizens seeking justice have to languish in jail. That's the game of politics, you see. The lion is the boss because of its brutality and ruthlessness. But on the judgment day, the lion will be charged and judged at the same time. All these hyenas and jackals will be charged and judged. There are so many questions left unanswered. Yes, indeed, the questions are quite appetizing, but I'm afraid I do not have as much appetite to answer them. This is where the cruelest cooks survive. There are so many pitches left unmended, so many wounds to be healed, so much spiritual cleansing to be done. Deception has been the main character in this political satire. Mfowethu uThixo usomandla uyakubona konke lokho, but one day all of us will stand before the Lord and be judged. Even the lion will be charged and judged. Phela isilwane sithemba amazinyo sikhohle ukuthi azakhithika, sithemba insipho sikhohle ukuthi sizathundubala. Yours faithfully, Mbuli.